First things first, you need to select the right recipe for your website. It's all about identifying the flavour your customer might want. A good tasting cake can be seen as a good user experience. The key ingredients of your website are content, which are displayed through HTML. Content includes images, videos, and text. No one likes bad ingredients. Content is king. Once you've collected your ingredients, it's time to pick a mixing bowl. The Content Management System, or CMS, is where we combine all of our ingredients. Responsive design allows our cake to take a range of forms. The mix can fit into a variety of devices while still being the same recipe. Now, to bake. It is important to consider that every oven bakes cakes differently, just as every browser handles websites differently. Decoration, or CSS, is the icing on your cake. This is the visual design of your website. JavaScript adds motion to your website. This can be imagined as the candles on your cake, celebrating your content. Once your cake is finished, it's time to display it on your wonderful cake stand. The cake stand is the hosting platform, or server if you like. Websites.